It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The quickest way to double your money is to fold it in half and put it in your back pocket. When you invest, you are buying a day that you don't have to work. In the short run, the market is a voting machine. In the long run, it is a weighing machine. 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. In investing, what is comfortable is rarely profitable. Many folks think they aren't good at earning money when what they don't know is how to use it. I will tell you the secret to getting rich on Wall Street. You try to be greedy when others are fearful, and you try to be fearful when others are greedy. How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case. The biggest risk of all is not taking one. Speed, quality, price, pick any two. Don't save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make so you can give money back and have money to invest. You can't win until you do this. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy, and don't get too scared. Everyone wants a piece of land. It's the only sure investment. It can never depreciate like a car or a washing machine. The investor's chief problem, and his worst enemy, is likely to be himself. In the end, how your investments behave is much less important than how you behave.